Hello guys, welcome to TelePrime classes, and in this video we are going to learn about what is TelePrime. So here the first we will discuss about what is TelePrime, and then we will see why we have to use TelePrime software. Okay, so now question begins, what is TelePrime? Here you can see the TelePrime logo as well. So if I talk about the guys TelePrime is basically a Windows based accounting software in which the software handles the company's accounting, inventory management, order management, tax management, payroll, banking and many such other requirements of business. It supports all day-to-day process from recording invoices to generating various reports. In simple word, Tally is an accounting software in which we can record company's financial statements. After that the question begins here, why we use TelePrime? So we used guys TelePrime for various reasons, like we use TelePrime to keep accurate record of company's financial transactions, like we can maintain balance sheet, profit and loss, cash flow, fund flow as well. And also TelePrime is easy to use accounting software which we can use very much easily. After that, after passing a few transactions in TelePrime software, we can easily get various accounting reports as well. So this is the guys why we have to use TelePrime as an accounting software. Thank you guys.